You're racial profiling.
Am I?
Yeah, you're wrong. You're assuming I'm someone that I'm not. Are you Jake?
No, I'm not Jake.
Hi, you look like Jake.
There you go. I look like Jake.
But you're Jake.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm opposite.
You're Jake.
Okay. If you
Get out of my face, man. You guys are harassing me. Yes, you guys are.
Hey, that's
You're fucking harassing me.
harassing me.
Yes, you are. No. He's harassing me. Why are you harassing me? You're assuming I'm someone I'm not.
Okay, if you're not, then
No.
you're not free to go. Okay.
Am I being detained?
Yeah, you are.
For what?
Because I think you have a warrant.
You think?
Yeah.
That's an illusion. That's an illusion. You think?
All right. Stand up for your hands, man.
I'm not. For what? I don't have a warrant.
officer, you got the wrong guy.
You're very wrong.
Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
No, you are wrong. What do you mean if you're wrong? You're wrong. You're wrong.
We're not going to play this game. Stand up.
Hold on. No. Hold on. You guys are not going to try to manhandle me first. I'm not under arrest. I didn't do nothing. For what? For what? Can you tell me for what? For what? I'm under arrest for what? No. If you got the wrong guy, I'm suing all of you guys. Let me get your card. Can I get your card? Can I get your card? Okay. I'm not standing up front. Listen, I'm not under arrest. I don't have a warrant. I don't have any officers.
Hey, yo. Hey, officer.
No. Go ahead. Matter of fact, look at my ID.
He got the wrong guy, I'm telling y'all.
Wrong ID, motherfucker.
You guys still got the wrong guy. You guys are fucking stupid.
That's not you.
You guys are racial profile thinking I'm somebody. I'll take both of you motherfuckers. Take them cuffs off.
Sir,
I got him.
Take them cuffs off. I'll take both of you motherfuckers right now.
this guy got the cleanest record. Y'all just.
I'll take both of you motherfuckers right now. Take the cuffs off.
For me, y'all
You guys are
y'all got
fucking
the wrong.
stupid, man. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers
Well,
I've
they
ever
want
met
to
in
get
my
tough.
life.
Grab his fucking wall.
You are stupid. I don't know how you
Hey, yo,
became a
y'all
cop.
got the wrong dude.
Matter of fact, anybody can become a cop nowadays. Yeah, so you guys really had no other choice to do? You guys really had nothing else to go to college for but be a cop and harass me? To assume I'm somebody I'm not? My ID's in my back pocket.
Y'all got the
Watch,
wrong.
hey, watch how funny this is. Go ahead,
Watch
look at
this.
it. No, don't hate me. Look at it. Oh,
You
what does
guys
that
got
say?
me fucked up.
What does that say? Oh.
Wrong guy.
Oh.
Wrong guy.
Oh my God! No, get the fuck off me, dude! Get off me, dude!
Bro,
You're
you
a fucking
fucked up.
Matter of fact, I need your cards. I need your supervisor over here. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor over here. You guys are the stupidest motherfuckers I ever met in my life. How'd you guys? What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Look at look at him. Get him. The tough guy. And this guy here.
No, what do you mean? I look like him. I need your guys. Supervisor. Sir, can you please come here? Are you the supervisor? These guys are racial profiling me. They assume I'm someone that I'm not. I told them I'm not who they think I am. And they said, nope, you are. I'm positive you are. So, I need their cards. I need your card. I need your card. I need your supervisor. No. Yes, I request your supervisor. Why is that?
Bro, that was fucked up.
You guys work with us. You guys supposed to be
No, these are the people.
Yes, I'm the people. You guys serve us. So,
That's because they're corrupt as
I would like
fuck.
your supervisor. Okay, I would like your card as well. Yep, you can have my card. And I'm gonna file a report on you, and you. Because you guys are all stupid. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers I ever met in my life.
See y'all later.
You're glad why, bro?
You guys really work?
This motherfucker.
Is that how you guys work nowadays? You assume someone is someone and that's it? That's all you guys need? Yeah? Oh my God, what is America came to?
We're allowed to.
You're allowed to
Allowed to what?
come up and talk to somebody, and if we
It wasn't allowed to talk to somebody. You arrested him.
assume I'm
Handcuffed him.
someone and try to
right, and he made a mistake, and then once he figured out who you were, he unhandcuffed you.
What if somebody did that to you?
Nobody's going to jail.
What if somebody did that
I
to
wasn't
you?
going to jail anyways.
Huh?
Matter of fact, I wasn't going to jail
Yes.
anyways.
You got life fucked up. You ain't gonna
You guys are
just buckle up and just.
leave. Just get out of here. You guys leave. Leave. You guys get the fuck out of here. No, you guys have a good night. Get the fuck out of here.
No.
Get the fuck out of here,
Yeah.
piece of shit. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers I ever met in my life. Get the fuck out of my face.
We're not in your face.
What do you mean? You just arrested him over here.
You guys just try
Just
to.
released him. So if he wants to make a complaint, he can go make it.
I will make a complaint.
All right.
Believe me, I will. I will make a complaint on all three of you guys.
That's fine.
Do your job better.
No,
You guys,
some
you guys
bitch shit,
supposed to be upstanding fucking citizens. You
They're
guys
not.
supposed to be
They're bogus as
upholding the
shit.
law.
Have
You guys
a
are
good
the
night.
dumbest motherfuckers I ever met. Go. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, let's go. Come on, man.
Let's go.
It's the stupidest shit I ever met, man.
Hey, you good, bro? You alright? You
Yeah,
alright?
let's go. Let's go.
You alright?
No, there's three types.
Tell me about your game, man.
You guys don't feel stupid enough? Not one bit. So you guys can make a mistake and kill someone and be like, oh, well,
You don't give a
I
fuck.
don't see anybody that got shot.
how do you know? This could have turned out, somebody could have got killed right now.
Now we talk about shit.
Nobody did.
Somebody could have got killed.
Nobody did.
Oh, so until it happens, that's when you guys take, try to take some responsibility.
So we not from
Y'all-
Nobody got hurt. Nobody's going to jail.
Dumbest motherfuckers. Piece of shit ass cops. You see that shit, yo?
Yeah.